All right, if you're a pest control pro in Nebraska, you know that getting certified is a huge deal. So today, we're going to zero in on one of the most important steps you've got to clear, the NDA-08W exam. You know, the one for all those pesky wood-destroying organisms? Let's dive right in.
So what's the deal with this NDA-08W exam anyway? Well, it's pretty much Nebraska's official stamp of approval for anybody who handles wood-destroying organisms. We're talking termites, carpenter ants, mold, the whole shebang. If you want to prove that you know how to protect structures from these guys safely and effectively, this is the exam you have to pass.
Okay, so you think you're ready to take it on? Let's find out. These questions can be a little trickier than they look, so I'm going to throw a few real sample questions your way. No pressure. Let's just see how you do.
All right, first one up. Which of the following is the primary reason subterranean termites require contact with soil? Is it A, to get nutrition from soil particles, B, to maintain moisture levels in their bodies, C, to establish their main colony location, or D, to access wood sources for feeding?
Take a second to think about it.
Okay, moving on to question number 2. What is the primary indication of an active termite presence in a structure? Your options are A, mud tubes connected to soil, B, hollow-sounding wood when you tap it, C, the presence of termite feces, frass, or D, recent mud tube construction with visible termites right inside. Think carefully on this one.
And for our last question, according to the EPA, that's the Environmental Protection Agency, what is the #1 thing an applicator must do before any application? Is it A, notify all the neighbors, B, get written approval from the owner, C, read and follow all the label instructions, or D, do a soil test in the area?
So how'd you do? A little tough, right? As you can see, this exam really gets into the nitty-gritty. It's not just about knowing the basics, it's about knowing the details. But here's the thing, mastering those points is exactly how you pass. And the best part is, with the right prep, you can totally walk into that test feeling like you own it.
So the big question is, how do you get that prepared? Well, let me tell you about a fantastic resource, easyquiz.com. It is built for this exact exam. They've got an online web simulator that feels just like the real test. Plus, they have a mobile app so you can study anytime, anywhere, waiting for a client, on your lunch break, you name it. We're talking hundreds of current questions to get you totally ready.
Look, don't leave your certification to chance. Give yourself the edge you need to succeed. Head on over to easyquiz.com and start practicing today. Seriously, you can walk into that exam knowing you've done the work and are ready to absolutely ace it. You've got this.